Day 3, guys. There it is. Parts are starting to show up. So we have 2 of the 4 tires. I'm not sure where the other 2 are, but we do got 2. We definitely need 2 on right now so we can roll it. And I'm thinking those are the rails, but I'm not 100% sure. And there's some random gaskets just stuffed on the outside. Alright guys, day 3 of Operation Beetle Restoration. So we're going to work on taking out the front door panels and the rest of the carpet, so then the interior is good to go. We started getting some parts so we can get those and show you what we got. And we're waiting on 2 more tires. For some reason I have 2 tires that just showed up today, but not the other 2. So we're going to wait on that. But we have the paint and stuff ready for the rims to get them all nice and ready. Put new tires on so then we don't have to worry about them again. So let's get on this, get to fixing and making this Volkswagen amazing. Put them in the old glove box. I don't know how to get that off yet. I'm not sure how it really comes off.
You got a screwdriver?
Does it pop off?
Yeah, I see right there on the other side of the post.
These things.
I think the outside pops off, then you can probably screw to get the handle part. Okay, that screws off.
Okay, unscrew that.
Taking out the door panel.
Just a 4-speed manual.
What engine?
The 1.5. Air cooling.
We're gonna throw the Volkswagen bus cams on it. Racing. Dude, that's, yeah, I don't know. It might have to come off.
The only way for it to do that and come back again is if, put the oil in the oil pan. And then
How's it looking?
There's a random spring on the crank that keeps it on.
Oh, that like pushes it out?
yeah, I was just coming off black. Shut it off. And then when you stop, start it back up with everything on the back. Check the oil to make sure I didn't really lose all my oil. That was the key. Yeah, it is right up the roll cage. Oh, that blue one? Yeah. Oil change and then put the filter on it.
Yeah.
Fire it up the back of that with the jump and make a filter.
Yeah.
Slides up.
You think camera speedometer?
Oh, it's okay. Sound good? Finally got it off. Slides up. What is it?
I think it's like old sound stuff.
But it's all nasties. Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Probably why that window wasn't rolling so well. Because it's like jamming on it, see it?
Oh, yeah.
Replace that.
We'll see.
It's been taken off before because of plastic.
Plastic's already gone. Yeah.
That protected the weather. It's fairly easy to snap in these little rivets. Still don't know how to get this.
There has to be a screwdriver, a screw hole in it somewhere. I don't know.
So we just gotta keep that.
Do you?
Yeah, it's the armrest. And that slides into the side here.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Armrest. Armrest.
Because where it looks like it pops off.
Where's it from?
Oh, that doesn't have a diesel tank out here in the ground.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I took a hose man up and put it
Is it got water or what?
That might be a YouTube video we need to look
Check
at.
out this.
Put the rubber back in it.
Shut back in.
How does it even fit in there?
Well, no, it's messed up. It's been messed up.
Huh. Interesting. Probably just take one off the bottom and then shove it now.
Yeah.
Because that's such a.
Yeah, vital cord.
Yeah. Well, like down there won't matter. That's hanging in the spot. I wonder how much this is today.
It's like,
Is it just a piece of rubber?
yeah. It has a nipple on the other side.
So there's like sticks in it.
Yeah.
Because it's hollow on the inside.
Just sits there.
See, that's the footrest thing. I got the carpet for the footrest. Interesting.
You want all this out too? Might as well.
Well, it's just that piece behind the.
Yeah. Do we have new ones for this?
I don't know what they use. Look how much they freaking put on there.
Well, it doesn't look like they cleaned off the original stuff either.
Oh, that's all one piece.
Yeah, there you go.
Edit that out. The magic of YouTube.
Yummy.
I guess I can throw it there. It's kind of cool. It's on a cable system.
Oh!
What if it's like rubber cement?
I don't know. It's nasty junk though. you go. Cleaned out. Oh yeah. Is it still sticky?
Oh, that's the wiring harness. Runs.
Yep.
I guess we can vacuum it out at one point, huh?
Yep, we're about to there. About ready to vacuum her.
Because there's a large amount of crap.
All up and everything. Yep, vacuum it, then blow it out, then vacuum it.
What do you mean plastic tools?
Screwdriver on there?
Yeah, we're gonna paint it.
Yeah, no, I was only done it.
Oh, I ain't worried about that.
You could probably just break it out.
Yeah, it's out there.
How's it work?
Just pops right there.
But I got new ones. Ordered. Chromies.
Come out here like this and catch the air.
Oh yeah. Put like a big old scoop on it.
Yeah.
Big old cone
Cold
right
air
here.
intake.
Yeah. Ram air intake.
Water air intake.
Side. Really?
And this kid like designed this crazy wing.
Oh yeah, for a fast one?
What is down there? So I already showed you the tires. So this is how they package these. They're literally just on the outside.
That one's wrapped in.
Oh, that one. Oh,
That one
on
is
the corner.
Yeah, yeah. But this one was just sitting in there.
That is a lift rail seal. Sure. Let's open her up. Oh, what
We're
the?
losing bolts.
I wonder what else is lost.
Or bent. Oh my, this is some great packaging.
Well,
Oh, there goes one. Yeah, this thing's a little beat up too. Not the best shipping, that's for sure. Yeah. I mean, that'll look good.
yeah, hopefully we can just like caulk the end of them or something.
It'll fit. They got big first, or no, it'll be on this side.
It should just fit up every
Yeah, that'll look good. And then it snaps. Yeah, we'll have to take the rest
It's a little short.
Huh?
It looks super short.
Does it? Well, it has to sit up in there more. You know, it'll sit up in there. I just don't have it against the screw, so this part will be in another inch. We'll have to pull it out, but it's supposed to be in like that.
Oh, and that is bent. So maybe you gotta like bend that back down so it actually slides up better.
Maybe.
Cause that's hitting the fender already. And we're like an inch away.
Yeah.
Okay, well, they will look awesome, but shipping could have been a lot better. Dude, so there's nuts and bolts right there.
Yeah, they're all over, like scratching it out.
Alright guys, that is day 3. Some more carpet removal, some new parts showing up, figuring out how to take off the stupid door card. So, Operation Mom's the Bomb, B-Dub, Restoration, 30-day challenge is going on. So make sure you're liking and subscribing. Make sure you're following along with this build. Again, we're going to keep trying to do this daily, well 6 days a week, and get enough content to show you what we're doing to restore it. So a lot of the tear down stuff on the inside's done now. We got electrical to mess with, and we have exterior now to tear down. So we're probably going to start taking the wheels off since we have new tires, and sandblast those and get them painted. And then take off the bumpers, take off the fenders, kind of get everything ready for cleanup, do some undercoating when the fenders are off, and work on prepping them for paint. One fender's pretty bad. We'll probably have to try to replace it. I haven't found a replacement yet, but that's where we're at right now. And thanks for following along to this episode, and more to come from Wide Open Throttle. Till next time.